buy my own wishes, like my favorite food,
Okay.
or my wish list book,
Okay.
or watching
Drama.
drama
Yeah.
only. Yes.
Oh, so you choose or prefer to like a me time, quality
Yes.
time for yourself. Did you want to invite like maybe us like Ala or Nuni or Syair to how you celebrate your birthday? I mean like yeah, kecil-kecilan something like that. I mean this is not only simple, yeah, not real, but I mean like imagine. Did you not want to invite the people, some maybe only little bit people, and after that you celebrate your party?
Okay. Maybe I will invite my close friends
Mm-hmm.
and my neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
Only my neighbor and my family, like cousin, aunt, uncle.
Okay. Okay. Acara-acara ya.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Eat soto maybe.
Soto Banjar.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Via. Yeah, I'll be back to you. Alam, what about your version when you celebrate the birthday party? What is your treatment?
My version, if
Mhm.
I want celebrate to my birthday,
Mhm.
give tumpeng, nasi
Mhm.
tumpeng.
Okay.
Yeah, nasi tumpeng is traditional food. Traditional food in the culture.
Mhm.
Yeah, and my mom's always bringing my tumpeng
Mhm.
for me to
Sorry, tumpeng.
tumpeng.
Why do you
Tumpeng.
love it? Okay. Just
for,
remove
in bahasa
yeah,
it's-
just remove
yeah.
and put it
put that yeah tumpeng.
Okay, continue.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
In bahasa is syukuran.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, syukuran for my family, and I hopefully added my age.
Mhm.
Yeah, my age.
Golden age?
No, my age. Added my age.
Okay.
After that, we have to pray. I always still better than yesterday. Okay.
So
I
you
hope
also do like me time also, not only
Me time,
involve
no,
the peoples, but you do also me time.
only cause my family,
Oh.
because I celebrated.
Okay, for
Yeah.
for only for family.
Yeah.
You don't want to.
some-
You don't. You don't want to invite the members of BMC.
It could be maybe. It could be. I suggest you. I suggestion there. Can I? Can
Boleh.
I suggestion?
Yeah,
I want to pay attention about the prank if you celebrate in your birthday,
Mhm.
because it's danger for society.
Mhm.
If can be use a prank your friends, some like bully,
Oh yeah.
bully
Yeah, yeah.
bully crime.
Oh,
It's
like a prank.
yeah,
Like a prank. Yeah. Yeah.
It's so danger, guys.
yeah.
You have to pay attention, guys.
Like you
Yeah.
throw the terigu powder.
No, yeah, egg,
telur,
fall egg.
Yeah, yeah.
Egg. Yeah, water. It's a danger,
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
You have to pay attention. If you watching this streaming,
Mhm.
you know, put
Mhm.
something with your friend, guys. Yeah.
Okay. I'm still waiting. What the next? Okay. Yeah, I'm curious, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Alam. Give a applause for us first. Yeah, Smart FM. We are still here, of course, in Smart of Your Life English discussion with English communities. Yeah, 101.1, the Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. And yeah, back to topic, birthday tradition. Talking about birthday tradition, of course, this is a very universal. Not only we celebrate about the yourself, also we celebrate with another's like your puppet, your organization, your community, yeah, your birthday, your anniversary wedding, yeah, your anniversary wedding of your parents, yeah, and etc. Ya, ulang tahun pernikahannya misalnya orang tua kita, ulang tahun pernikahannya kita dan sebagainya ya. And guys, how do you think about anniversary? How to say? Except in our birthday, like ulang tahun yang seperti itu boleh nggak sih dilakukan atau bisa nggak sih atau gimana? Do you get my point? Do you get? Kira-kira kalian mau nggak ngerayain ulang tahun kucing kalian kayak gitu? Apa dogi kalian ya? Atau apa gitu ya? Okay, I start from you, Via. Do you have a like animal favorite?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Yes.
So what about the tradition they celebrate of the others except yourself?
Okay, in my opinion, that celebrate a special day like wedding anniversary.
Yeah.
What? How to say in English? English dapat juara. Like
Sorry?
mendapatkan juara.
Mendapatkan juara? You may combine when you start in English. You may combine in bahasa.
We get the winner, first rank, like first.
Oh
rank,
yeah.
etc. I think that we must to celebrate that because
okay.
Of course we don't know how until when we are
Life.
still yes
Oh my god, it's scream.
yes so we must to make much memories maybe yes for ourselves because who want to celebrate yourself
Okay.
if not yourself alone yes
We have to like make ourselves
yes
by celebrate our special day
yes.
even our company, our community, our puppet
Yes, or
birthday it's important also, right?
Yes, or going to panti asuhan.
Orphanage.
Yeah,
Orphanage.
orphanage. Yeah, charity. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Nurul? Do you get a point, the question?
Can you repeat it?
Yes. It is important. We celebrate birthday, even not birthday of human. Like you celebrate anniversary of your wedding, your parents' wedding, your puppet, your organization, your community. Apakah merayakan yang seperti itu juga penting dan mengapa? Kira-kira milih merayakan apa di luar diri gitu?
Personally speaking, that we have to celebrate that when we have like the winner or get something good. What is that like?
Like? Yeah, you may put bahasa when you start in English. You may combine. It's okay. Do not hesitate.
Yeah, because due to we have to keep our memorizing our memories. Like sorry, we have to take a picture in our good moment, and we have to gather with our with our organization, with our friends.
Yeah.
Because when we all in the next generation, we can see our memories in the picture on the picture.
Okay. Jejak digital.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like that. We can what is that, memorable and miss the moment.
Yeah, I mean like this is also like a reward, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is one of unforgettable
unforgettable moment.
in life. Yes, thank you, Nurul. Yeah, I move to Nuni. Yes, the same question. You know the point, right?
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. I think celebrate.
This is celebrate.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah, I hope that someday I can be like that. Okay. Talks about celebrate community or our parents' wedding anniversary or maybe our wedding anniversary. I think it's actually important and full of memorable. I think like example like communities. Maybe we if we celebrate the 10 years of our community.
Yeah.
I think it gonna be like we can move back. It brings us back to flashback or to how to say memorize again our old memories with others, with all people around
Mhm.
us who joined with us, and what we have do,
Mhm.
and what we have done for our communities. And I think it can be built our solidarity for us to celebrate. And I think it will be full of memory. We can,
full of memory.
yeah, and we
Yes,
can.
you have to delete
Yeah.
full memory, especially for the
No.
handphone.
No, not kind of that. Sorry.
Need format.
No.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
like we can imagine again. We can,
Mhm.
how to say, memorize again. Remember
Yeah,
our old things. Like maybe we have a lot of kind of fun with our
Mhm.
community, so we can. Oh yeah. We like this in the past. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh my God.
yeah. I think it's
Memorable.
Yeah, it's so touch.
Mm.
I think, yeah.
Okay, it's deep. Thank you.
Oh.
Okay. Next, Alam, universe. You are universe, right? Alam. Nature.
Nature.
You are nature. Yeah, nature.
Yeah.
Nature.
Could you repeat about your question?
My question is, we celebrate the tradition of the tradition of birthday. Yeah, not only we celebrate about ourselves, but sometimes we celebrate like community, like organization, like our puppet, anniversary of wedding of our parents or ourselves, and etc. Is that important or not, or so? Which one do you prefer and why?
Actually, depend of personal person.
Mhm.
If I how to make it the
Personal,
experience-
personal,
personal
not
person.
personal pronoun.
No.
Subject.
How to
object.
make celebrate? How to make
Okay.
a celebrate?
Uh-huh.
If they want to make a wish like for bring something like a cake, depend of them. Why? Sometimes there is a different. If a different person celebrate to the party like for bring a cake. In bahasa it's like for apa?
I'm waiting you.
No.
Saya menunggumu.
Like for bring something
Yeah.
like a gift, give something maybe. After that, we need to celebrate the party. I want to force for us because it's depend of the person. Yeah, like for Nuni.
What
maybe
happened?
something
What
different,
happened with
something
Nuni?
different celebrate. Yeah,
What happened
something
with Nuni?
different celebrate for me.
Uh.
Maybe I give tumpeng. Tumpeng, nasi
Okay,
tumpeng in bahasa.
Uh-huh.
But Nuni maybe not celebrate. Not celebrate, only only prayer, small
Solawatan.
gathering, yeah. Maybe,
Invite majelis taklim.
yeah, depends of the person. You don't have force people because
Yeah.
it's different. Celebrate.
Maybe you invite like day atuju. Maybe you will invite like you can celebrate.
Oh, I know.
with the tradition.
Outside in the context. Yeah, it's not follow the rule of national birthday. Birthday traditional.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yes. My next question, talking about birthday tradition. Of course, this is a very, very important. Like everyone, of course, like expect about the gift. Hadiah. Ya, kita mesti mengharapkan hadiah. What kind of gift you expect when you celebrate your tradition? Maybe you want to apartment or Lamborghini or what? Okay.
Could I mean-
Nuni. You want to be first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. What kind of gift do you want to get?
I have only prayer. Prayer is very
Are
important.
you sure?
Yes, of course.
Are you
Prayer is
sure?
very important for my life.
What about check, like transfer?
maybe needed for only
waiting.
prayer because
Only-
yeah, in
Mashallah.
bahasa in
Mashallah.
for dunia and akhirat. You have to remind akhirat. Don't you focus activity for your in the new world, in the world. Yeah, only you remind to like for faith, dosa-dosa, sins. Yeah,
you don't need to like watch
Yeah.
like TV,
sins. You have to
culture.
yeah, only you have to more than prayer for
Okay.
God because you can get a successful in
Okay.
the
Thank you. So you don't need, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you celebrate, you don't give.
Yeah, okay. Okay, prayer. Prayer important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I gave you 2 thumbs up. Okay. What about you, Fia? What kind of gift you expect when you celebrate the
Okay.
your birthday tradition? Your birthday. Sorry.
Of course, I will same like Kak Alam. Praise. And because I like to cooking, so I always ask to my mom for buy to me like what
Yes.
bahan
Ingredients.
for cook like
Like.
flour,
Sorry.
tepung,
Okay.
flour, cocoa powder, butter, and
Just mention what is the cake.
oh, I want
Sebut apa
to
kuenya itu?
baking for myself like Fuji brownies.
Fuji.
Yes, Fuji brownies.
Fuji? Is real?
Fudgy.
Fudgy.
Yes, yes, fudgy brownies,
Okay.
and make it for myself.
Okay.
Yes,
Fuji.
I
Okay.
prefer to make than I buy.
Oh, like special dessert,
Yes.
right? For you from your mom.
Yes.
Okay, because you are very like it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Nurul? What kind of gift you expect when you celebrate your birthday?
Okay, same with with all.
Oh my God! Why this copying?
Saya pertama.
Is that another answer? Please.
We need to pray for
Uh-huh.
ourselves.
Yes, of course, absolutely
Yeah.
pray.
And maybe I need money
Yeah, I like your side. You need money.
because with money we can buy all of in the world. Maybe.
Oh my God.
No.
Crazy rich.
We can buy like clothes, like cake. We can buy for ourselves with money. We can buy our happiness, like go to coffee or
The cozy place. Yeah.
yeah, for make ourselves happy.
Like maybe go to Suzuka. Yeah. Bring the coffee. Yeah. Drink the coffee. Something like that. Yeah.
go to gachuan like that.
Go to Gachuan. Oh my God. Noodles. Yeah.
Noodle, yeah.
Okay, like simplicity. It sounds like simple, yeah. You don't need like a glamour gift or very expensive gift. No. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Nani? Yeah, pray also.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think I have to make a different answer, right?
It's up to you.
I will be materialistic.
Oh, materialistic. Team pro and
yeah.
contra.
Honestly, no. Honestly, I hope that someone can give me a bunch of money. But with money, we can do like sedekah or maybe something like that
Oh,
to
yeah.
celebrate our birthday, maybe.
Like
but
since Laura say
yeah.
love is money, right?
Yeah, of course, everyone needs money. But yeah, I also think that I think everyone's and of course me personally need to pray, need to pray for myself. But and every year when my birthday, I always receive pray or like a letter maybe or for my friends. You know my friends? Yes.
I don't know your friends.
No, no.
Okay, continue.
Yeah. She always give me motivation a letter like or pray like helping me in a goodness. So yeah, that's very make me grateful in every year. But yeah, same with Alam too. We have to we need to pray. Yeah, everyone. I think everyone needs a pray, and we need to reflection or
Spa. Go to the spa reflection.
no. Maybe a reflection like just to think that
contemplation.
wow.
Reflection, contemplation.
Yeah, reflection that it's time like we have to think how we can become a better person for the next years.
Better
maybe.
and better.
Yes.
Like chocolate. Yeah.
Oh, that's a joke.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Any addition? Keep
I
enough. Okay, thank you. Give a applause for us, guys. Yes. We move for the next session, but sadly, because this is the last segment, of course. Okay, yeah. Next, this is the last. What is your conclusion for our topic for this evening, Alam?
Conclusion.
Okay.
The
And what is your message to small listeners?
the conclusion of birthday traditional is depend of a person how to make it, especially for yourself and whatever you want it. If you celebrate your birthday, like for in environment in my family, bring always if I birthday bring nasi tumpeng. If like for the syukuran in bahasa syukuran in my family, and always my family always give a prayer for me to success.
Your mom pray for you.
Mom, my father, and my cousin, my sister. Yeah, pray together. Pray together. Success in the next year. Then before, I always pray mendoakan kembali for my family to success to the next year.
This is your conclusion?
No, masih ada still.
Okay, come on,
in
faster,
addition,
please.
if you don't celebrate like for prank your friends because it's so a danger, like for a bully, it's not for Indonesia. You have to pay attention about that because it's a danger. Your friends, guys, you have to less. You have to now do activities for us because it's so dangerous for us, maybe for the society. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the conclusion for me.
Okay, thanks for the last mathematics and Biola.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Okay, thank you for your conclusion, Alam. What about you, Nuni? What is your conclusion, please?
Okay, first, thank you so much. I really enjoy this conversation. And for me, my suggestion is birthday is not just about a big celebration or a big party, but birthday is also a time to reflection, to gratitude, and to be thankful for everything that we have received. And then both birthday has advantage and disadvantages. And I thought that in the world we have a lot of tradition of birthday, And so that's why we have to respectful for our tradition, don't be judged by each other. And I think we didn't need to focus on how fancy the party is and how big the party, but we have to care more about the true meaning of birthday, like yes, like the meaning, the sincerity of the birthday. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Nani, for your conclusion.
Yes.
Yeah, I move to you. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, the conclusion of the topic for this day is the birthday tradition not only like a party or celebration, but we can do many many activity, good activity, like pray for ourselves and like give to another people,
Yeah.
like give something or give
Yeah,
is that?
I'm waiting you. Come on, you can do it.
We can do many activity, not only better we do like do something can,
Like meaningful
yeah,
things. Right?
meaningful things. Then
Okay.
we do like prank. We can this forbid for because have many bad
That thing.
bad thing like that. I think that's all.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Nurul. Yeah, for your conclusion for this evening. Next, Via. Okay.
So after talking about our topic tonight, I get that through how different cultures,
Yeah.
we see that birthday are not just about parties and gift, but also a time for gratitude, give thanks, praying for good things, and celebrate our journey of our life.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Via, for coming here in
Yes,
our
thank you
second
too.
home. Thank you, Alam. Yeah, nature. Yeah, from coming in our second home. Thank you, Nuni. Yeah, for coming for the first time. Thank you also, Nurul. Yeah. Okay, give a applause for us, guys. Thank you so much for your kind attention for coming here. Happy see you all, guys. Yeah, and the next session. Yeah. Yeah, that's all, smart listeners. Our discussion for this evening, and the topic is birthday tradition. And don't forget to listen and watch, of course, our program. Yeah, English, Smart of Your Life English discussion with Smart FM, of course, every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. See you for the next week. Good evening. Bye bye. Good night.